In 2003, Yang Liwei, China's first astronaut, reported hearing a strange sound during his space mission, described as a knock similar to hitting a metal bucket with a hammer. This baffling phenomenon occurred despite the vacuum of space where sound shouldn't travel. Yang inspected his spacecraft but found no damage. Experts speculate the sound could be due to space debris or vibrations caused by temperature fluctuations in the capsule's metal hull. Other astronauts have reported similar sounds, leading to the phenomenon being dubbed the ghost knock.